Saudia Cargo is one of the global leaders in air freight, and with us today is Chris Notter, VP of Operations for those guys, and we're here to talk about the success of cargo combined with an extensive passenger network. Chris, thank you so much for joining us.
It's a pleasure.
Could you just give us a bit of an outline what Saudia Cargo do?
Okay, basically we do anything, anywhere, anytime, which is a new logo. And it actually means what it says. We're happy to, from charters to standard scheduled flights, our freighter operation, and obviously making use of our extensive passenger operation as well. So anything that needs to go anywhere, we're the people that you need to call.
Many freight operators have suffered some bad times recently. Can you just tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, it's, obviously with so much belly capacity coming in now, it's a lot more friendly for the cargo product. So the amount of capacity that's available puts pressure on people who focus more on freighters. What we're actually doing now is we're trying to balance where we were, where we are, and where we need to go. So we've also got a very, very new order book with regards to wide-bodied passenger aircraft. So we're reconsolidating now our strategy moving forward. The market will always have these sorts of problems, and the recent press coverage has more than covered potential problems for the industry, and especially those who focus on freighters. But we've been addressing this particular issue for some time, so we feel we're very prepared now moving forward.
And what's the main thing, your secret to success?
Well, I think if you look at our industry at the moment, if anybody said they had a secret to success, they'd be able to make more money out of that secret than they would out of this business. However, what we're doing now is we're consolidating all of our practices and performances. We're looking to see how we validate and verify those processes for accuracy, and more importantly, we're trying to simplify everything that we do. So all of our contracts with our handling companies, our service providers, we're trying to be as simple and as consistent as possible. One of the problems this industry has is the complexity that it allows to bring in, and we're the world's worst at doing something differently for the sake of somebody requesting. So we're now trying to be a lot more disciplined, refocus, reconsolidate, and like I said, we're trying to make things as simple as possible for people to do business with us.
And is transit cargo your major strength?
Transit cargo for us in Saudi is a lot different to our neighbours. I mean, our neighbours have got a huge percentage of transit cargo. What we're doing now is we're trying to modify our transit capability, and we're doing so quite effectively. And we'll be enhancing those opportunities in the early part of next year, and then we hope to expand on that transit offering to our customers.
And in your opinion, what's the main problem to overcome in the air cargo industry?
In the air cargo industry, again, I think we tend to go through so many cycles, but we still remain a little bit complacent. And our business now is nowhere what it was like a year ago, our industry, our world. So we've had so many changes, some more sinister than others, and we have to prepare ourselves for that. So we mustn't be complacent. We have to focus on continuity, contingency, compliance and competence is critical. And whenever people are put under pressure in the business, they tend to take their eye and their foot off the pedal with regards to training, verification of processes, and certain things start to slip. And that's what we've got to be very careful of. That's the biggest threat.
Well, that leads me on to ask, what are TIACA doing about this?
For me personally, coming here, I've been here many times. This is an ideal opportunity to discuss with everybody in the process link, from the very beginning to the very end. And if you can start to make people have the same outlook, the same approach, the same opinion, the same commitment, and the same understanding, then you start having things more easily fitting into the boxes that they should be. And I don't mean boxes as in cargo. I'm talking metaphorically there. But for TIACA to speak with the people that you need to speak with at the right time and to focus on what you're doing in the forthcoming year is of real importance. And again, we're focusing on safety, security and compliance and competence. That's our main messages this year.
Well, good luck with the next year, and hopefully see you again soon.
No, it's an absolute pleasure.